Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make eggs in the microwave. If you don't know, these are my dogs. Dogs. There's a puppy, and there's the big dog. Well, we have a kitty hiding over here. Kitty, kitty. This is Leo. Leo is very friendly. Really, he really likes it when you scratch his neck like that. It's really cool. But this is how I make eggs. So let me see. Okay, I think that's a good idea. Oh, Jesus! Let me get some eggs. So, I got 2. We're gonna head over to the microwave. Oh, it's got blurry. This goes to the microwave. You have to unplug it and then plug it back in to get it to actually work. Oh, see, now it made that puppy noise. Burp. So I'm just gonna get a bowl. We don't have any bowls? Oh yeah, we do. We're not that broke. I tell people that every day, and they think I'm lying. So first, I'm gonna crack the egg. Why is this egg dirty? That is yolk everywhere. Ew, what is it? Oh, it's like slime. Just throw it away. Oh, crazy, what are you doing? Hi, kitties. So, we're going to put this in the eggs in the microwave for 1 minute. You have to do it multiple. Okay. So if you put 3 eggs, you have to put in for 3 minutes. But I did 2, so put it in for 2 minutes. That will work. What are you getting in the sink for, Misty? It's a boy, it's Leo. Okay, so ew, it's cooking. We'll just watch the numbers. Or watch inside. Why are those holes so big? Look. Oh, so my sister broke her leg today. I'm sorry for her. My sister broke her leg. Today. So please give this. Let's see if we can get this to 100K likes just for her. Let me go show you her. No. Tears for her. I feel so bad. I've been crying. She actually broke it yesterday. Yep. Oh my, what are these doggies? You know, kitty. Oh my, are you guys fighting over that shoe? That's mine. Oh my. I guess the puppy won, Brantley. Oh. It's okay. No fear, the fairy godmother is here. Hey, just run it on. It's popping. Oh my god, did it pop everywhere? That's eggs. It only got to 6. It's just gonna unplug it. And now the lights turned off. Great. I don't know what to get it out with, like this blue towel, because I think it's really pretty. I don't, why is it like, so I don't actually want eggs, because it's like 5 o'clock at night. No, it's not like 5 o'clock. It's not that dark. That's my eggs. I'm just gonna grab like a fork and look at it. Oh, like if you guys look literally right there, it's like glossy. That's like glossy. Oh my, in real life, I wish you guys could see this in real life. It's so glossy. I'm gonna try a little bit of the egg. It's hot. This is really good. I'm gonna try some of the yolk. Okay. My stomach hurts because ugh, that was hot. That was hot. I need to get some water. Just get a cup. Hey y'all. Oh my god, y'all. Oh my, is that my egg? Is it the kid? Are you eating my eggs, Missy? You eating my eggs? Are you eating my eggs? Well, I mean, the eggs were good, but now I kind of don't want to eat them. The kitty took over my... Puppy, you want some eggs? Here. Ow. Just put it down for y'all. Here you go. But yeah, guys, make sure you get this video up to 100 subscribers. I feel so bad for myself. Do you want to see her again so I'm not lying? Oh my! Well, I hope you guys like this video. Make sure you subscribe, hit the like button, hit the bell. I will all see you guys next time.